With this video, you will learn about the complete installation of our modular metal roofing system Supre and Ulta tiles and its accessories. Elements are presented in the order of their correct installation. Installation details can be found in step-by-step installation videos. Links are below in the description of the video. Start the installation process with the Soffit, Fascia Trim, gutters and drip edge flashing in that order. If gutters are not part of the project, install starter strip instead of the drip edge. Moving on, install the ice and water shield high-temp underlayment on the whole surface of the roof. Following, install valley, eave bracket, or eave vent comb and inner gable if using universal inner-outer gable set. Now you're ready to start the installation of Supre or Ulta tile. In this situation, gables are finished with Modular Rake, which could be used instead of inner-outer gable set and is available only for Supre tile. Use chimney flashings, front, back, and side, and inner gable flashing to secure the area where the chimney meets the roof surface. Finish the installation with hip and ridge tiles with appropriate end caps. We highly recommend to watch more of our step-by-step installation videos. Links are available in the description below.